I'm going to be repairing a prime bulb on a weed trimmer. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com, and on this channel we do concrete repair, asphalt paving, lime painting, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm going to be repairing a priming bulb on this weed trimmer. It's unable to start because it's unable to suck up gas. If you notice here, it's the bulb is just stuck. So there's something going on. There's probably some holes or something plugged up inside. We're not going to know until we open it up, and hopefully we can free that up and get this working again. So the first thing I'm going to do is just going to lay this weed trimmer down, and I'm going to have to take off the air intake cover. Okay, so that's the housing for the air intake. So here's your choke. So what I want to do is I want to remove this so I can take the carburetor off. So these two screws here, I'm going to remove those. Okay, so there's the carburetor. So the next thing you got to do is you're gonna have to remove your throttle cable, and you're gonna have to remove your gas lines, and then this will be free. So to do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that and pull the fuel lines off. Now there's two screws to the priming bulb. I'm going to take that off as well and see what's going on underneath. Okay. Now with the priming bulb off, I'm going to take the idling screw portion off, and you can see there's the membrane. So something is going on between this piece here and the carburetor here. You don't want to lose any of these O-rings, so just keep aware that if you drop anything. So I'm going to shoot some brake cleaner into these holes, and also in all the gas intakes and stuff like that, and hopefully that can free and clear any cloggage. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Now with the carburetor cleaned out, I'm going to start piecing back all the pieces together. So I'm just going to place the housing for the priming bulb back into place, and that sits snug. Next, I'm going to put the bulb back and just line that up. Okay, and I'm going to screw that back into place. Now once that's back in place, you can actually hear if it's working or not. So I'm pressing it in, and I can hear the air exchange, which means that the whatever was plugged up is now free. And next I'm going to put everything back on the weed trimmer, first starting with the gasket. I want to make sure the gaskets are back into place, and that just goes right there. That came off when I disassembled the carburetor. There we go, like so. Now we're going to put the carburetor back into place. So first thing you want to do is connect your gas lines. Just make sure you know which one went where. And you're going to want to connect your throttle cable. Okay, just loop that through. Okay, and of course, and once you get your screws through, it'll kind of hold everything into place until you tighten it. Okay. Okay. And once you hand tighten it a bit, use the screwdriver and go ahead and finish tightening. Hand tight. And we'll replace the cover. Okay. And now we just need to put some fresh gas in before we try to start it. Okay, we're not going to fill it all the way up. We want to make sure that this works. Now I'm ready to test this out to see if it works. That's it, the prime bulb is now fixed, the carburetor has been cleaned out, and the weed trimmer is now functioning. That's it, just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time. Jeff Lepard, doitallsealing.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.